I met the first person with Mary E. in December 2007. Had arranged with her husband of 15 years, Therese, to her for an interview. Mary had intentionally agreed, since I was a newsman, rather immature was rather great at the other end. She had other college assignments. Well, according to plan, some piece of fiction. We scheduled an interview, particularly when I was in Chicago. The woman really changed her mind and locked herself into a couple's bedroom. She refused to meet me with me. For a half hour, I sat with Therese, camping outside the bedroom door, listened to take notes, attempts to calm his wife. Things Mary said was still little sense, but fit the pattern expecting. Though I never not see her, I could tell from her voice she was crying. Not then her object was speaking and searching. Incident the stoop on her dream, her nightmares. Therese apologized for refusing exercise, but and I did my best. I took her stride. Called the reporter in search of the story. Virtually a curious young man in search for information besides. I thought at the time I could decide to find another one. Civil case, but the stop of Chicago-based born small dog JPEG. Her life changed forever. She and Therese had been married for five months. Well, less than 400 people saw the image. It was Hamlet BBS. All three spoken. Only experience that rest of my anonymous for dead. In 2005, when I was 10th grade, Smile Geography was the first brought to my attention by burgeoning state in the web based phenomenon that Mary was a incident victim was refused as a smile dog. Behind a smile JPEG, repeated display my interest, but obviously elements had cyber legends. In malicious information, usually I don't believe what happened a rumor or hoax. I unique it as a phenomenon. Turns to the picture of a file. The file was nowhere to be found on the internet. Sounds like a phenomenon to the little web. Sometimes I frequently on the sites as image board, 4chain, X focus, foremost, scope board. Suspected fakes that are not the true smile JPEG, but suddenly opposite the recent phenomenon. The smile dog regards this one since the importance of absurd through the surrounding whom you ask, for instance, to acknowledge the smile dog existing. B. Fear of the disbelief. Neither smile dog, JPEG, or not smile dog is mentioned in on Wikipedia, including websites, articles, such and others, perhaps such as Hello JPEG or What to Do Cups. Attempt to create a page to a small JPEG. Maximize admins. Counters with the small JPEG was stuff internet legend. Mary's stories not unique. Universe rumors of small JPEG early days and upset. One of the first tales to a hacker flooded the forums of humor. Says writing something and do Luke a small picture. Rhyme almost half of the rumors user at the time. Also, mid-late 90s, the Smile JPEG postal attachment that chained email with the subject line Smile, God loves you. You dispatch a huge search certain. There are very few people in my experience and even trace file venom discovery. Most people who have seen the JPEG are weak, often joke that far too busy to see a copy of the picture thus their hard drive. Probably she had in various scripted photo. The dark creature Sabrina Husky, the radio with the flashing camera. Dark creature, a red camera on a zimmer on background. Details of a human being extended from the dark to the side frame. And is empty, usually beacon, with most attention given to the dog or creature, as the victims more have seen. Muscled in the breast, blade with a dry grin, between two rows of very sharp, human-looking teeth. This, of course, is not a description immediately after the picture of the rally collection of the victims who claim they seem to approach endlessly repeating their minds every time they are reality having quick fits. Fits are reported and considered terminally. Often the victims sleep, but still the very victim men observe nightmares. The medication was effective to others. Mr. Ari assumes that the medication that was given her in 2007 I sent out also Toller's urban legend a news group mailing list, hoping to find the name of his victim of small dark JPEG. Influential experiences for a time happened to me and I length forgot with the pursuits. Since I began my freshman college and I was really quite busy, Mary contacted me via message March 2008. Karen's called me later that month with news that my wife killed herself. While cleaning up his first things, she left him behind, closing email accounts and everything happened above the message. In a man in shambles, he told me he was listening to his wife's advice. He told his security, violated, burned, and allowing nothing but shrieking plastic. That's another part of the dispute him. And how long the security hissed him at him, melted. Look at that sort of animal, he said. I made that certain about the response to as a spirit expressed it was a joke. With a couple of playing with the situation over the get rid of me. Quick, several Chicago newspaper online alters, however, for that mystery indeed was dead. That was, of course, of no mention of suicide in the article. I decided for one last time I would not further pursue this small dog JPEG, especially since I finally come up with the end of Mary. With a lot of testing, almost a full year, I returned my discouragement and with mystery I received another email. The final line chilled me to the bone. According to the email, attached a call and actually smiled that picture. I considered downloading it for some time, but mostly like a fake image that would convince me that's not of JPEGs. There's your power. Mary's has shaken me. Yes, probably mentally unbalanced in a way. After all, what could you not accomplish? Well, of course, a creature breaks one, minds another. And such a legend exists is the devil I meant to turn to correct. If it's not coming into my dreams, demanding this breath of word. What I would do, I would live in my Mary had, fighting against the urge to give until I die. But with breath of word, the urge to put myself to rest. And I choose the later route. How could I do it? Who am I burning it to? Who do I turn to? I win. My earlier intention, short article JPEG, I decided to attach this into evidence. And one of Reese's article now evidence will be affected. I assume the charge of pie attached in Genie will be craps enough to save me in manner. Could I spread the word? Yes. Yes, I could. The original author, unknown.